Ayan, basahin natin dyan. Ano kayo nasa loob? Okay, ngayon, sabay-sabay tayo mag-wish the star. Ready, go! Wish the star, which you bring. Again, wish the star, which you bring. Sino mga magbibigay kay Jaja? Okay, Jaja. Punit na. Okay, pair. Ibig sabihin ng pair dalawa. Pair of tanggalin ang medyas. Go! Pair of socks. Saha! 1, 2, dalawang medyas. Kulang, kulang. Okay, very good. You like the color? Okay, congrats. Meron po kayong premyo mula kay Jaja. Okay, ngayon, ihanda na ang item natin. Bunot! Ano kaya nasa loob ng papel? Ayan, basahin po natin. Ihanda na mga item natin. Ito, ang galing nito. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. Ready, go! Wish the star which you bring. Cellphone na walang camera. Go! Walang camera na cellphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Cherry Mobile. Okay, dahil dyan na yung kang premyo mula kay Jaja. Congrats! Okay, ngayon, bunot! Ayan, ito ang... Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. Ready, go! Wish the star which you bring the youngest visitor. Go! Ang pinakabatang visitor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the youngest. Okay, meron pa ba mag-beat nito? May youngest pa, may youngest. Tatanungin natin, okay, ilang months na? 1 year? 2 years old. 2 years old. Meron pa ba? At least give me at least 3 youngest kids here. Okay, yes, mami, ilang months na? 1 year and 11 months. May pababa pa ba dyan? Okay, meron pa ba? 1 year and 11 months? Okay, ito po ang ating pinakabata. At syempre may premyo pa rin kayo. Wow, congrats! Okay, ayan, this is for you. Okay, now all the kids go back to your seats now. Go back to your seats now.